so now for more things in this sauce. So coconut aminos. I'm going to use all of the coconut aminos. So I'm going to use this measuring cup right here to see how much coconut aminos I even have. Oh, I'm sad. But it's okay. Just need to buy more. Okay, so it's about a tablespoon left, which is a pretty good measure. I was planning to do 1 to 1 to 1 with the other things that are going in this, so that's actually perfect. So here we go, a tablespoon of coconut aminos. We're gonna do a tablespoon of honey as well. Perfect. And as I use the ingredients, I'm moving them aside. And I did the honey relatively early on because I know that the honey might take a while to come out. And so the things that I measure after this will hopefully help the honey to come out. Alright, so it's a tablespoon of honey. Let me mix that in. Take the honey up. Wow, with the coconut aminos and everything. It smells so good. Apple cider vinegar. Woohoo! All of this just adds different things. Like the lime juice adds the acidity and nice burst of flavor with the zest and all of that. The mint is flavor, the ginger is flavor. The apple cider vinegar is going to add a bit of like a tang that makes you like think and like really wakes up your senses. And the coconut aminos adds a sweet, kind of like almost bitter depth to it as well. So it just makes you really think as you're eating, which is a good place to be when you're eating. Okay, so tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So I'm keeping this 1 to 1 to 1. And this might be a stretch, but I'm gonna do a tablespoon of hot sauce, West Indian hot sauce. Didn't say this was gonna be a mild dish. This is a lot of hot sauce, y'all. Sweet. And that is it. I might add a pinch of salt, but I'm gonna taste this first to see what that pinch actually should, how big that pinch should be. If that makes sense. Because you know that like pinches of salt mean different things. Let's be real. But we have ingredients. It's good. Let's see, we're an hour in. I think we're doing well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hot sauce away, put my honey up, my coconut aminos all done, and then I'm just gonna mix in this hot sauce and taste this sauce. Guys, look at this. Whoa, wow! Oh my gosh, this is a good sauce recipe. Oh my gosh, ginger, mint, cilantro, lime zest, lime juice, coconut aminos, apple cider vinegar, honey. Whoops. Yum. Ooh, this is so good. Okay, I'm not gonna add salt to this. It's super flavorful. And I'll probably add a little bit of salt to the turkey when I'm cooking it. And that's actually gonna be the salt for the whole dish, y'all. Like, this is so flavorful. We only need the salt to like bring out these flavors. We don't need the salt to actually be the flavor. And I didn't even add the smoked paprika yet. Can you imagine? Okay, so let me get some B-roll of this.